Hello, I will show you how to use a ratchet. Tie down. We place the hook on the other side of the pallet. You take the webbing, you insert it into the ratchet. You make a manual retention. You can tension as much as you want. To loose the webbing on the ratchet, you press the handle. That's it. So easy is it. We have some new improvements also. We have an anti-corrosion hook for a longer life. We paint the side black so you can see faster the damage on the webbing. And we did an improvement on the ratchet themselves to have an easier use.